Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of civics class 6 chapter 6 rural administration. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying our daily quizzes published in community tab. If not, please subscribe the channel and become the member of our family. Let's start. First question is measuring land and keeping land records is the main work of dash. Whose main work is this? Answer is Patwari. Patwari does all this work. Next question is a daughter wants a place of dash on. Answer is her own place. Next question is every police station has an dash that comes under its control. Answer is area. Every police station has an area. Next question is Patwari is also responsible for organizing the collection of land dash from the farmers. Answer is revenue. Patwaris collect revenue from farmers. Next question is dash supervise the work of patwaris. Answer is tehsildar. Tehsildar supervises work of patwaris. That is all for today. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, please press like button and share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel. We will get back to you soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.